Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a single user tally on multiple computers. While a single user license is designed for one primary installation, there are effective strategies to access your tally data from different machines. We will explore two main approaches: remote access solutions and data synchronization methods. Understanding these options will help you maintain productivity and ensure your financial records are always within reach, whether you are working from your office or another location. One excellent way to use your single-user Tally on multiple computers is through remote desktop. You install Tally on one main computer, which acts as your host. Then, from any other device, you can securely connect to that host computer using Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP. This allows you to control the Tally application as if you were sitting right in front of the host machine, ensuring seamless operation and data consistency across all your work locations. Now, for some advanced tips to elevate your gameplay. Focus on efficiently reading complex patterns like jumps and hands, which involve pressing multiple arrows simultaneously. Experiment with various scroll speeds. Many advanced players prefer a speed of around 400 to 600 for optimal visibility. For a truly immersive experience, consider investing in a quality dance pad, which can significantly enhance your physical engagement. To ensure a smooth experience, always adhere to Tally's licensing agreements. A single-user license is typically for one concurrent user. Implement robust security measures, including strong passwords and data encryption, especially when using remote access or cloud services. Regular data backups are crucial to prevent any loss. If multiple people need simultaneous access, consider upgrading to Tally's multi-user version, which is designed for collaborative environments and offers enhanced features for teams.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.